So just to show you visually, this is a Chow marker and this is a sketch marker. So the Chow ones are round shaped like a normal pencil, so it's really easy to hold. If you're a beginner artist, it's not like awkward or anything. The Copic sketch markers are an oval shape. It's kind of awkward to get used to them, but once you get used to them, they're actually like much better to grip onto if you're getting more seriously into art. So both ones are good. This one's great. You can refill it just like you can refill a sketch. They have the same nibs, so they both have the brush tip and then they both have the chisel tip. One good thing about sketches that is different is the sketch will actually hold more ink. However, if you're just starting out and you're just practicing with markers, the Chow has just enough ink for you to get started, so that's really good. Another difference between the Copic Chow and the Copic sketch is that the Chows come in about 180 colors, and the sketches actually come in approximately 358 colors. So if you're getting really, really serious with art, I would go with the sketch, so then you have consistent markers, and then you can get all the colors. But the Copic Chow markers and the Copic sketch markers, all their colors are duplicated, so there's not any unique colors for Chow. So the colors are the same, except the Copic sketch markers have more variety of colors.